Look, this thing. So, don't cut up them here. We have some when you have pickles. Everybody cook for them. Yeah man, so for a year that sound you know, so I see my down in my people.
Top class bros channel, yeah. Welcome to the channel, Top Class Bros. Viewers, Top Class Bros teaching you them fi uplift themselves. Me I tell you live a better life. Welcome to the channel. Always like, comment, subscribe. Viewers, don't forget Top Class Bros. Subscribe.
What's up, Top Class family? You know, a long time we not cook together, you know. Yes, so today we're gonna cook some food. This food is called all in one. Everything I cook down into one. You know, say the reason why I don't do some whole heap of cooking inside our dream house. You know, I just want to cover them for come in and you know what I mean, me take off certain thing off and I count that up and you know what I mean, make the thing, yeah. But all in one. So me have some fish, me have ackee, and you know me I blend up some coconut juice and cook that today. So if you're new to the channel, please remember subscribe. My Top Class people, click and share the videos. And you know why most of our fourth parent or grandparents them and great grand and them people are so healthy? Because of them food that them used to cook. You know what I mean? Because remember, you know, back in the days, them could afford sliced fish at the supermarket, you know what I mean? So them they have to go river or sea go catch fish, which is the best fish, you understand? And them couldn't afford cooking oil. So they blend up coconut and thing. And you know, some of the time they maybe I eat that and I be like, yo, you know, I wish me could get some oil at the supermarket. But some of the time they not even know say that's the real deal they might get, you know what I mean? But when they look at and start see some people start at dead and then see they're still strong and healthy, they know the real food them they eat. So me grew up on them thing I know my people. You get me I say? Yeah, not really like say would they have it one kind of way, but you don't know my father know say yo, you see them are good for it. So you ensure say always feed upon them mother and father. You get me I say because of that them grew up and said with. And I fall in love with it, so I cook it today and show you what I go on. So I start get my fish slice up. So I have some peel kid, I have around 3 of them. Yeah, you can see 3 different heads. So you know, so 3 fish me cut up. Them are full of flesh, you know. You know what I mean? Them fleshy. So don't cut up them here. Me have some ackee. And me already start blend up my coconut juice. So I season up my fish now and show them what I got. So you can try this with my people. You know what I mean? And you know a whole heap of people who are watch this now, them eat them thing already, but you see, some of the time, if you're there overseas, you know what I mean? So you maybe have to miss out on some of them food here. Because you know they only for fast food and junk food and you know what I mean? Yeah, but we're their country. So we always have to cook them nice food here. So stay tuned, we'll cook together, alright? Big up on yourself. Yeah. You know it's a very windy day, you know. So I'm gonna turn on the light then. Yeah, boy, I want a wind and blow outside. So I wash down the fish now. Vinegar. Alright, so I'm throwing some jerk seasoning, you know. You know, my fish have a well seasoned, you know, my people. All purpose. It's a Maggie all purpose. Plus, we have this seafood seasoning. You know, seafood we are cooking, yeah. So, you know, we have to use pepper, you know, because fish we are dealing with, you know what I mean? So, just put piece of pepper in the oil. Pepper, onion, it's our garlic. One thing, you know, my people, when I season up my fish them, you know, fish them have a season well nice, you know what I mean? Chop up some little garlic. All in one. So I got my people. Massage in my season in my fish, you know. Season them up is well seasoned. The fish them have a season up like when you have cook all chicken. You know, everybody cook for them thing different, you know. So me cook my own, you know. So you don't know how the chef black pot that, you know, I well at, you know. So I drop in that chunky piece of fish tail. One more fish tail. And so the next one. You don't even have fire. Yeah, man, I fry the fish them, you know. What? Yes, yeah. Fish then start frying now. But you see, one thing with me when I cook now, I like to do everything one time. You know what I mean? Because I don't take too long to cook, you know. But one thing, make sure you see, anytime I don't cook, food nice. So I start pick up my ackee them right now. Alright? Yeah, because I put ackee in it too, you know. At first, someone would have to see that style, man. But I tell you, just believe in the chef, alright? Alright, so I'm good with this. I'm going to put them more right. So I'll pick them right now. So you know the cooking and going on that pot. You know this I'm doing cooking right now. So I strain the coconut, then pour the coconut juice. You coconut in it. You put it in. Put that in. You know the all-in-one could have never nice if you not no banana in it. You know what I mean? You but rain a fall and me there your teeth some. Alright, we not take the whole tree. But I take only the honey. Yeah man, so when you not teeth, when you teeth some and live back some. Don't try this at home. So man, live back some. Come back in IKEA. Don't try that at home. All in one for nice and you know the banana in it. It can't nice. Ask anybody who know about it. Stay tuned, I go back a yard. The one so you know we set on the coconut milk you know. So I make this go and boil. After it boil up you know, I season it up. Drop in the fish them. Let me test it and see what it go on with it, you know what I mean? If it tastes good, because some of them might think you know, I have to taste it. So once it tastes good and thing, you know, I just put in the fish and make it go and cook down for a while. Then I'm gonna need up some flour. Throw in my flour, put in my ackee, then I drop in the banana them. And then we test it again to see what it go on with. And then you know you can just make it go and simmer down, alright? Stay tuned, you're not gonna see this. And if you never try it yet, you can try it, I tell you. Stick around. Alright, so you know we just throw in the fish them. Fish them. Drop in, drop in, drop in. You get me answer because here what I go on now. The reason why we put in the fish them, you know, we want the fish them to suck up all of this coconut juice. You understand? So, we make the fish them go and suck up the coconut juice and go and get softer. So, as soon as the coconut juice start, you know what I mean? Fish start suck it up and thing. You can start putting in the dumpling, season it up and thing. And then, you know, I'm showing everything what I want. And the big chef. Yeah man. Fire and I eat it. Go ahead. I say you know I need up some flour now. Maybe I want some more flour. And the food are well nice, you know man. I want more flour man, the food too nice that man. Food are too nice that they look a bit of dumpling them man. You're a mad man. Nice food you can't get look a bit of dumpling man. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dumpling for you in my plate, you know. And a couple seed of banana. Well. Awesome. Yeah. So we make some dumpling now, make them too big, you know. Size are good. Now if it's too big. Yeah, man, how much dumpling is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 dumpling. Yeah, so 18 dumpling that show no I want banana them there right here so. Yeah. Aki the right so. Yeah. While then we think I go and simmer down in the pot right so. So just I go and make it go and simmer down. And thing, you understand? Soon test it and as soon as it boil up some more we start test it and see what it go on with, what it want, if it want a little more season, if it want some salt, get in some more onion, some more some scallion, some thyme, some seasoning, you get me I say? And season it up the right and proper way before we start throwing on my dumpling and them thing there. Yeah. Yeah man, just put in some sweet pepper, piece of thyme and some scallion, you know you see it? So I'm going to do now, I kind of test it, but I want some more seasoning and also I just get some more seasoning and season it up proper. Yeah? I'm going to put in the dumpling and I'm going to go and simmer down, drop in the ackee and the banana. Just throwing the dumpling them, alright, so watch your style now. Drop in the ackee them, because if you drop in the ackee them late, you know, we don't want the ackee them too sapa. You know them way there? Saba ackee. Ackee they enough is saggy. Yeah, so dumpling and ackee and everything gone in last. So I put it in the banana you know, because I don't know the banana them to mash out either. Yeah? For when you hear that sound you know say I simmer down in my people. I simmer down so see the fish, see the ackee them, see the banana, see the dumpling. They are well down in a coconut juice no man all them dumpling and my people. Make a gin lele. Banana soft channel. Banana, you know, it taste it. You know, so we have a taste of food there. Woo! Right now, I have to go share a plate. I can't wait. Right now, I have to go share a plate because I can't wait. Take out my cracker plate and stay tuned and share a plate because I can't wait. I'm hungry like dog. Belly empty, listen. Yeah, eating time now. Stay tuned. Yeah. Yeah. Time for me feed out my face now, you know. Time for me feed out my face. Right now I have a piece of fish. See them fish are well steamed down, you know. You see it? Dumpling, banana, ackee. The coconut juice. You get what I say? You see this? I mean, I tell my people, you see, when I never taste this yet, I miss out on good food. Strong food. Yeah. Woo! Tell me if it's a eat or a pass. Meow. Are you hungry? Well, my people, let me know if it is a eat or a pass. I cook some of this anytime I do some work with Gatlin them man. Yeah, one big pot. So, big up on yourself. Blow up the steam. So, you know, that is how Ariana, them they are school and soon come home for their dinner. Yeah. So, thank you so much for watching. Please remember, subscribe, share the video, and just let me know in the comment section if you don't eat it or you don't pass it, alright? No respect, my people. Yeah, man. What is on my nose? I'm out.